This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, high-intensity headlights, a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, an integrated tailgate step, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, heated side view mirrors, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, and this Ford features an off-road package. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.